Hello children, today we are going to learn all about farm animals. Let's start. Today we will learn about the following animals. A baby cow is called a calf. Cows eat grass, alfalfa, clover and hay. Cows can smell things up to 6 miles away. A baby horse is called a foal. Horses eat grass, hay, corn and oats. They also eat fruits and vegetables. Horses sleep standing up. A baby pig is called a piglet. Wild pigs will eat leaves, fruits, roots and rodents. Pigs can't sweat. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Sheep eat mostly grass, plants and seeds. Sheep have rectangular pupils. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chickens eat grass, bugs, fruit, vegetables and even table scraps. Chickens dream when they sleep. A baby goat is called a kid. Goats eat shrubs, trees, hay and grains. Goats do not have front teeth in their upper jaw. I hope you like the video. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe.